you first see them for your school, what will be there your mind?
Okay, before I start, I would like to thank the Honorable Governor of Lagos State, Governor Agege and the Commissioner for Basic and Secondary Education, Mr. Ali Balogun, and also the Tutor General Permanent Secretary of Education District 1, Mrs. Dr. Yutola Idowu. So when they came to my school, they told us that, there's nothing in crime, because going to crime is just a temporary achievement for you. And most of the boys in my school, they have gone deep into crime that they've forgotten that there's anything called tech. So LEARNTOR Foundation, thanks to them, they enlighten us that, there's more to tech than crime.
Okay.
Few months before even LEARNTOR Foundation come to our school, I've been working on coding. I've been practicing coding with my fellow friends. Then after they came, so unfortunately, the day they came to my school, I was actually absent. So my friend introduced me to it and said, okay, this is a program came to our school, and I was so passionate that, okay, I can have a bigger career in tech. So we joined our Telegram group, and I've been following what they're teaching us: LinkedIn optimization, social media, how to use social media for good purpose, and not going to cybercrime and so on.
All right. So what do you win?
I came out the second position for TechUp Boys.
Now, see, government alone no go feel run everything, because no matter how you take triumph, out of how many population? Lagos alone over 20 something, and they look other side. And Nigeria as a whole, how many government want to do? That's why for every level where you day, you now representative. How you they take do to fit touch a life? I remember especially for young people them, that candle where you light today, you don't know how many more candles it go feel light to feel make sure say darkness no go day around us. If you listen to that one figuratively or literally, everything still follow join. All right, so now you make us get this afternoon for we guests from LEARNTOR Foundation and all about powering TechUp Boys initiative. Last year, this madam be follow day, and this year again she day here with some boys we don't win from this initiative. We get Madam Mercy George-Igbafe, NGI. Welcome to the show.
Thank you, well done. I greet everybody.
All right.
And with her today, we get
not only she waka come. What's your name?
Shumade Malik Damilare.
Shumade Malik Damilare. All right. You now from Ifako-Ijaiye
Ijaiye Senior College.
Ijaiye Senior College. All right. So, but we will start this week. First off, Madam Mercy George-Igbafe. This LEARNTOR Foundation and everything, what is it all about?
LEARNTOR Foundation is committed to help us curb cybercrime, cultism, getting boys that are dropping out of school to be interested in tech. We are trying to tell them, hey, crime no they pay, but you see, tech go open door of opportunity for you. And then waiting we don't they do. And thank you for traffic for having us to come and give us voice. Make we for fake amplify. Like we talk government alone no go fit do one. And we they do the one where we fit do, but our focus now the boy child, specifically SS2 boys in underserved communities and public school. And we are going across Lagos State right now with the focus on Education District 1. And after this one, we will go another district. But these boys we see here, they are from Agege and Ifako-Ijaiye zone under Education District 1.
This LEARNTOR Foundation and everything, what is it all about?
LEARNTOR Foundation is committed to help us curb cybercrime, cultism, getting boys that are dropping out of school to be interested in tech. We are trying to tell them, hey, crime no they pay, but you see, tech go open door of opportunity for you. And then waiting we don't they do. And thank you for traffic for having us to come and give us voice. Make we for fake amplify. Like we talk government alone no go fit do one. And we they do the one where we fit do, but our focus now the boy child, specifically SS2 boys in underserved communities and public school. And we are going across Lagos State right now with the focus on Education District 1. And after this one, we will go another district. But these boys we see here, they are from Agege and Ifako-Ijaiye zone under Education District 1.
And how long now in this foundation don't they do this work?
So we started for children where they deaf and dumb before.
Okay.
We do it for 3 years. But as God can't call me here, say make I focus on the boy picking. Because the boy picking don't they neglected. And you see, say the ill of the society now, so boys. Now then they drag into cultism. Now then they go into 419. Now then they go into Yahoo.
Robbery,
so a lot of crazy things when they happen. But the question be say, we know they focus. Go check now. Every people where ESCC they brandish. No be boy full up. So who they won't come live as leaders for tomorrow. Then our LEARNTOR Foundation can talk say through the TechUp Boys initiative, make we help the boy pikin, make them learn tech, make them know say crime no go pay. And our slogan now, yes to tech and no to crime. Thank you, my dear.
Yes to tech, no to crime.
Yes.
So how you defeat take identify who deserve? You don't talk undeserving community and all that. You do education district 1. Later you go reach education district 5.
Yes.
I know say
All of them.
the education district for Lagos still reach for now. But how you dey take fit sabi apart from community where dey your mind when they go and the government schools?
So now thank God now make I first thank Governor Sanwo-Olu for his Team Plus agenda. Then we talk to the Honorable Commissioner for Education and Basic and Secondary.
Basic education.
He give us approval. Then now the approval can cover the entire education district for Lagos State. So we dey physically they go the school. We dey talk to all the boys. So under their own school for Ifako-Ijaiye, we talk to 5,600 boys. But anyhow, now only 560 of them make the decision to continue with all of us for online. We can't train them for 4 weeks online. The first step now to go to school. Give everybody chance. Choice, make you make choice, make you decide whether you want continue or no want continue. After you can't continue, as you continue them, we do 4 weeks training. The last training, now we can carry them go PSSDC, where they can spend like 2 days immersive and practical with computer, take practicalize waiting that they learn.
And from there, I pick the person we do well.
For inside class. And you see this young boy, now he gonna be the star picking. He's a graphic designer. Damilare Shomade. He be star picking. Oh, this one a celebrity. He don't pass me for Twitter. He was trending 3 weeks ago, number one trending on Twitter.
All right, we'll follow Shomade relate.
Oh, yeah.
Damilare, how you dey?
Fine, sir.
All right, so when you be first see them for your school, what will be there your mind?
Okay, before I start, I would like to thank the Honorable Governor of Lagos State, Governor Agege and the Commissioner for Basic and Secondary Education, Mr. Ali Balogun, and also the Tutor General Permanent Secretary of Education District 1, Mrs. Dr. Yutola Inowu. So when they came to my school, they told us that, there's nothing in crime, because going to crime is just a temporary achievement for you. And most of the boys in my school, they have gone deep into crime that they've forgotten that there's anything called tech. So LEARNTOR Foundation, thanks to them, they enlighten us that, there's more to tech than crime.
Okay. And how long this one be take for you? How many weeks ago, how many months ago be all of this?
Let's say 6 months ago.
6 months.
And you not get any idea about tech before LEARNTOR become?
No. I was learning graphic design before LEARNTOR Foundation.
And that one can't even help you.
Yeah.
So that's why you dust everybody. Which position you call it?
He passed me, sir. Now,
all right. So what in win?
So what he win at the number 1 Twitter. He post saying be head boy, then decorate him as head boy. He come on top of Twitter. He trained past entertainer, musician, no be controversial boy, just regular post. He in post hit 7.7 million as at time where I check and before we come here. And all of the posts where the boy they post, it just a trend. They go in hundreds of thousands.
So what do you do differently, Shomade?
What I did differently was just embracing tech to LEARNTOR Foundation.
Okay, on Twitter, how your post they take go viral?
Okay, when I entered Twitter, I just entered there as a regular graphic designer to learn more, to post my works. So I started posting my works. Unknowingly to me, people did not know that, okay, I'm the one doing those designs. They don't know that it's a small boy like me. So when I posted my head boy badge, they were like,
you're the head boy for your school?
Yeah, first in the commercial department.
So now that head boy badge, now you come make people say, you still in secondary school and now you they do all this kind thing.
So you get on the head.
So now so it take big. So since then, waiting be next for you, Shomade? Because we still get your friends then with the studio, we go come microphone now. But waiting be next for you after all these ones we don't
after all these things that I've achieved now, I'm planning on furthering my education to the university. I want to go and study insurance and risk management.
Madam LEARNTOR, scholarship day.
So I don't tell him, say this boy, he go get, because people don't they reach out to him by himself. But what he won't do, when he won't take do, he not just wants the number 1 trend though. He won't bring other boys along. So by December, he's planning to do free graphics training. No talk about that one. Free graphics training for boys of his age, so that they can all become graphics designers. So he won't change the community for graphics designer as a young boy and now 15 years old boy.
Great. So now your next step be that. But people don't come say they want help and all of that.
Yeah.
And we just wish you the very best.
Thank you.
But before you come out, we go like great so that your friends then go feel come on air too. We go want to say that special shout out to. I know say you don't tell them for school say you dey come traffic radio. All right.
Mrs. Adeni, she was the one that made me this head boy because I never wanted this position, but she told me whatever is for you, we always find its way around you. And Mr. Tayo, he has been the one helping me to get on next and to LEARNTOR Foundation, Mercy George-Igbafe, MGI. She was the one that opened us to LinkedIn, which unfortunately did not work for me. Then I went to X. And one of my teachers, Mr. Agbola Sagboli, and my mom.
Okay, thank you. Make we bring the other ones enters this thing. And for those who just join us about the Lagos-Ibadan Expressway traffic, we don't shout out since morning. If you just tune in, I don't know whether I could say sorry a bit for you because we don't shout out.
We don't get with us Idris Yusuf from Lagos Baptist Senior College. How you day?
I'm fine, wow.
And carry us walk on top the journey with LEARNTOR Foundation.
First, I would like to appreciate the Lagos State Governor, Dr. Babajide Olushola.
Okay, because of time, don't do the official this thing again. We don't get time so that we go come out. Talk to us about your journey.
Few months before even LEARNTOR Foundation come to our school, I've been working on coding. I've been practicing coding with my fellow friends. Then after they came, so unfortunately, the day they came to my school, I was actually absent. So my friend introduced me to it and said, okay, this is a program came to our school, and I was so passionate that okay, I can have a bigger career in tech. So we joined our Telegram group, and I've been following what they're teaching us: LinkedIn optimization, social media, how to use social media for good purpose, and not going to cybercrime and so on. So.
All right. So what do you win?
I came out the second position for TechUp Boys.
Now, X you have used on LinkedIn?
Yeah, LinkedIn.
Okay, and that one sweet for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so for school, Lagos Baptist Senior College?
Yes, sir.
Which position?
And the senior preferred boy.
Head boy. Now only head boy you go carry.
No, all of them I give chance, so now then take them seriously.
Wow, great. So your life don't change, and how you don't take change, Idris Yusuf?
Thanks to LEARNTOR Foundation, I'm now able to show my skill out to people, not just on Facebook, but also LinkedIn. And I've also been seeing a lot of web developers also, and their great work also be inspiring me. And yes, and I believe that in the nearest future, I'll also be bigger like them, sir.
You don't they make money already?
No, sir.
People don't reach
I'm
out.
still in the learning phase, sir. Learn before any.
People don't they reach out like people don't they reach out to
No, I'm
Not
still
yet.
that's my
And so what you want to go study for university?
computer science, sir.
It is well. Don't worry, go do am. So special shout out to somebody quickly.
Yes, the principal of my school for making it possible for me to be here. Also my teacher also, the teachers in my school also, LEARNTOR Foundation, TechUp Boys Initiative for their impact on boys and also me, and to my family, my mom and my friends also.
So Idris, if you make money tomorrow, you go one sponsor LEARNTOR and help others boys too.
Yes, I also like Mrs. George have also inspired me also, and I also wish to be a philanthropist in the next future.
All right, quickly, may we do the last student enter quickly so that we'll go carry we can come out. Don't forget LEARNTOR Foundation powering TechUp Boys Initiative. Now we they host this afternoon. Now the winners them follow day here with us. All right, welcome. What will be your name?
My name is Igbode Daniel.
Igbode Daniel from Somori Senior Comprehensive High School. Somori Senior. You now the head boy too?
The person that's supposed to be here is no.
Okay, no day. So which position you there for school?
I'm a student.
Oh, student of the school. You follow for this initiative?
Yes.
Okay, so how this one don't take impact your life so far?
It has impacted my life in many ways.
Okay.
Like allow me to connect to graphic designer because I'm also a graphic designer.
Okay.
And also to web designer because I also design webs.
Okay.
And also to creative people online, to connect to people. And
so what go day your mind to tell young boys like you we go watch this program later, because we dey stream live on YouTube and where they use them instead to do yahoo instead of to use them make money legitimately. What go be your advice to them?
I would like to tell them that there's more to tech, there's more to creativity. If you put your time into it and your mindset and you are dedicated to it, that you can also make it. Instead of engaging in cyber crimes, you can also use your mind to do different things, to be creative, to be innovative, to make a difference in a society, to be a leader. Because LEARNTOR Foundation are not only help us in digital skills, but also in leadership skills, emotional intelligence, and also in other various aspects.
Okay, so we gotta go. Thank you so much. So you feel come Igbode Daniel. Quickly, who you want to say shout out to?
I'll shout out to LEARNTOR Foundation for giving us this opportunity to be among to be among the people that will participate in this program, and also to my principal and our teachers for allowing us to be, for making it for us to be here.
Possible. And mommy and daddy for house.
Yes, I thank my mom and dad because you're always there for me.
All right. Big shout out to LEARNTOR Foundation on top this one. Your last word before we come up for here.
My last word, waiting I know remember to add now the contents where we they teach them. We teach them leadership, emotional intelligence, introduction to data, introduction to Excel. We taught them as well LinkedIn optimization, social media, and the importance of their digital footprint. Waiting these boys they do online as SS2. I give them 6 months, their life go change because opportunity. Even one of them talk say that they reach out to them. One talk say he get 2 job offer when he been show me. I say God don't they do them, but their student they go finish school. Education they important.
And LEARNTOR they do check up on them because make we no put good thing for person and at the end of the day use and do bad thing.
We not stop. We don't assign them mentors. And after the mentors now they go do internship placement so that they go continue to practice within the learn. That's the future.
For those who go like reach out now.
So my number, if you want reach out, if you search for LEARNTOR Foundation, Learn ELEARNTOR or TechUp Boys. We dey online gidigba. Just connect with us and support us. Now only us they do our money. We don't get money. So if you support us anyhow, if you support us, to help other boys.
We wish you the very best, Madam Mercy George-Igbafe, NGI, person with the in charge for LEARNTOR Foundation, powering TechUp Boys initiative.